everyone, it's been a while. I haven't put up a video in a while, I know, just because I was away camping with my friends. Cooper's drinking. So I was going to film the entire camping trip with my friends and kind of edit it to be this super cool video, but the morning after we got there, I took my camera to the beach and I broke it. So the only footage I have from the camping trip is literally like one night and like a morning kind of's worth before it broke. And I wasn't too sure if I was gonna edit it together and put it up, but why not? I might as well. So this video is probably going to be like 30 seconds long. It's really quick. It's of my camping trip. I wish I could have filmed the whole thing. I will have another video up very soon, a regular video. Thanks for watching.